Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Naomi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new here, make sure you go and subscribe down below. And if you're not new here, say it with me. Hey girl, hey. So today I'm going to be showcasing how I do my twist and curls tutorial. Welcome to the very first hair tutorial of 2021. So I'm going to go ahead and start off on freshly washed hair. I'll have everything linked down below what I use. I broke my hair into like 4 sections just to make it easier for me to do the twist and then apply the perm rods at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and take down the first section. After applying water with my continuous spray bottle, I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore leave-in. I really like this leave-in, especially since my hair is color treated. I'm just going to apply that all over the section. Now, I will say the mistake that I made with this twist and curl was to add more water so my hair will be more defined. But overall, it didn't come out bad. But that's one advice I would say. If you want more definition, go ahead and add more water and add more product to your hair. For my cream, I'm going to be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. And I'm just going to apply that the same way I applied my leave-in all over the section. To seal everything in, I'm going to be using sweet almond oil. So far, so good. I do like this oil. This is like a trial and error. I'm just trying to figure out which lightweight oil works for my hair. And so far, so good. And then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the rest of the sections. For any type of twist or braid, you want to make sure your hair is fully detangled and you have an even section so that way your curls don't define where one of them is big and the other one's like super small and it's just all over the place. So take like an even section. I'm using the Lotta Body foam mousse. This mousse, like, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I've used it in the past, but it's been a long time since I used it, and I just don't remember it being like giving my hair like the crunchy effect. Like, I think it would be really good for a wash and go. Maybe I might try a wash and go with this. Let me know if you guys want that. But when you put it on your hair, it made my hair feel like crunchy a little bit, but then when you take them out, it doesn't feel that way. So yeah, and it's very fast at drying, so that's probably why I use the mousse. But all you're gonna do is just apply your mousse, twist your hair. You can do a 2-strand, 3-strand, whatever you desire, and then you're going to take your perm rod and curl the ends. And that's all that I'm doing. I don't feel like I need to explain anything else. That is all that I'm doing. So I'm done applying all the perm rods and twisting my hair. Honestly, I didn't even need to wait the next day to take these out, but I did, just to make sure that my hair would be really defined. And I'm just gonna sleep overnight, and then I'll come back in like 2 days and take them out. Guys, I already know the routine of taking down braids or twists for me. I have to apply an oil to my hands. I'm going to be using the Penetrating Argan Moroccan oil from OGX. I just started using this and I am in love with this oil. Like, I am so in love with this oil. Like, it's up there with my Jamaican black castor oil. Like, but I'm just going to take down my twist and then fluff it out, separate them, and shape my hair how I desire, and you guys will see that. Overall, I would definitely say make sure you apply a lot of product. If you're like someone who has, well, for my hair type, let me just speak according to my hair type or my hair. My hair does better with definition when it's wet or wetter. So I definitely should have wet my hair even more. My hair was damp, it wasn't wet, and then I need to apply a little bit more product. But overall, the hairstyle was cute. It didn't last me the whole week, but that was fine with me because I didn't have a problem with it. Literally styled my hair for like a good 4 days, and then the rest of the week I just either put in a bun or did like something different with it. But overall, I really do love this style. I was deciding if I wanted to do a middle part or a bang, but yeah, so I just played around with it. I do hope that you guys like this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below if you haven't already, because we're reaching 1K this year. 1K, please. I will check you guys in my next one. Peace, love, and stay beautiful. Bye, babes.